Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create a children's storybook for KDP using Canva. So first of all, what you need to do is of course do your own keyword research, what you want your storybook to be about. But today I'm gonna use ChatGPT to give me ideas of what I can write a storybook about. Also, I would suggest to choose kids ages, so 4 to 6 or 8 to 12, 6 to 8, 5 to 7, because people are searching for that. So you should make a book for specific age of kids. So now you need to choose a sizing, of course, also. So I will do a 8.5 and 8.5 size storybook, but you can do anything you like from, just basically choose from KDP sizes. So as you can see, they have lots of sizes, so I'm just gonna choose this one. And after that, you want to create a Canva document. So of course, go on create design and write down inches, and then create a design here. What you need to keep in mind is to leave a little border, something like that, around your book, because all of the storybooks will have to have print bleed or where there are no words, because it will cut the words when they print it. So I'm just gonna quickly add some border for me. I added some bleed that I would not put the words outside that border. After that, I will delete this. So now to create a storybook, you of course, this is the interior of course of the book. I'm gonna go to ChatGPT and I will ask it to create me a create short storybook for children with chapters about raccoons. And let's see, Ricky and Rosie, the Curious Raccoons. So this is our title. Now the chapters: The Mysterious Visitor, Whispering Woods. So I would suggest maybe to create one chapter in the woods. So now to have all of those elements, you can of course use Canvas elements, but I'm gonna go to Creative Fabrica because everyone are using those elements from Canva, and the books will repeat. Also, there were some issues with KDP. They started to like block the accounts because they were using Canvas elements, free elements, or even pro elements. So of course we can try and find some elements. So as you can see, the pro ones are really cool, but for this video I don't have I'm using a free account of Canva. So I'm just gonna go to Creative Fabrica and try to find raccoons. And also you need to click Special License Print on Demand if you're using Creative Fabrica. I'm gonna leave the Creative Fabrica link in the description below. They are having now a sale and it's like $5 a month. So I actually suggest you to even get a yearly access because you will save money like that. So I chose this watercolor winter raccoon, and we're gonna focus on a winter time in our book. So I'm just gonna download it and upload it to our design in Canva. So let's start creating a book. I'm just gonna use this raccoon and maybe this one. Let's flip one. You can also add some elements like a hat or something like that. Let's find a hat. For example, something a bit here to make it a little bit different. And now we can also add some well, this doesn't really look great. Maybe let's add some bow. But of course, we actually need some watercolor. So I'm just gonna delete those for now. Now we need some woods background. Let's try to find one. So let's drag this one right here and send it back. Now I also need to copy this chapter and put it right here. So maybe let's put some text and make it smaller. Make it white and change the font. So now we did one page. Now we have to do another. I will delete this border now because I know where it should end. And now, as you can see, this is we have to add detective hats, and also there are some fireflies. So I'm just gonna copy this and paste it right here. Let's make it blacks or something like that so I could see that. We also need detective hat. So maybe let's use this one as I don't have a Canva Pro on this account. Let's make this one and maybe this one. We can always change it. Do something up like that. And now we need a firefly background. As you can see, the Canva Pro has really beautiful ones. So we can use it, but as I said, I don't have Canva on this account, so it doesn't look really great. So I just downloaded one from Creative Fabrica because I like this one better. Also, I want to make them smaller, and I put the words, the text in a different position. So now, as you can see, of course it doesn't match a lot, but if you choose to do a watercolor watercolor backgrounds, so definitely do everything the same on every single page, and that's how you actually create a children's storybook. You do all the chapters. And now for the cover. For the cover, I just created a file size specifically for this book with 50 pages, 8.5 inches size, and this is what I got. So I just downloaded the paperback cover template, so I would know where are those edges and so on. So now I need a background, so let's use this one for the sake of this video. And now we need to write the title. So let's see if the wording is in the right spot. Yes, it is. And now we also need to add a little spine. Well, it's not necessary actually, but I will add it. And here it is. So basically you download it as PDF, you upload it to KDP, you upload your interior, and that's it. That's how you create children's storybook. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Bye.